Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing another law of attraction video, and I know I have not done a law of attraction in a while. I found that when I was posting those videos that they weren't getting very many views, so I figured that my audience wasn't really interested in it, so I kind of decided maybe to kind of pull back on it a bit. But I've actually had a couple of people message me and talk about how they love my law of attraction videos. And I've had a few comments like that recently. So it's made me think that I should probably try and get back into them, because obviously the people who are watching them are getting something out of them. And I know I absolutely love watching law of attraction videos. And it just makes me feel better in general when you're following the law of attraction. And today I have kind of a really interesting story of something that happened to me recently. Where I was kind of doubting myself and kind of doubting the law of attraction as well, because the law of attraction can be something difficult to follow, because if you're not seeing results right away, sometimes you start to doubt the process and doubt yourself in the process. And I had an example of something happened to me recently that really just reminded me of what the law of attraction is all about and why it is so important to stick with it and just follow through with it. So first of all, I would love to say that if you are new to my channel, I would absolutely love if you'd go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I am trying to get to 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year, and I'm at almost about 700 now. So I'm really, really excited, and I'm really just hoping to push through and get there by the end of the year. But that being said, that's kind of where our story starts. So I had been feeling the last couple of weeks a little bit down and out, because I've really been trying to focus on my YouTube channel and trying to make it grow as much as possible. I would love to do this for a job one day, and I really think that I have a lot to offer as far as inspiring other people. And I really practice the law of attraction in that I think about what I want and I think about how I'm going to get it, and I try to use a positive mindset and just know in my heart of hearts that this is going to happen for me and that I am going to get where I want to end up. I really just want to be a creative entrepreneur. Basically, I have a book that I've been trying to write for years. I'm doing YouTube. I have a lot of things that I creatively want to express in myself, and I would love to be able to make money doing that. And so I really try, like I said, to use the law of attraction to make that happen. But lately, I've been feeling a little bit down on myself. It kind of started when I was checking out this other YouTuber's channel, a person that I've collabed with in the past. And, you know, when I collabed with her, this was like a couple of months ago, I had around 300 subscribers and she was sitting at around 700 subscribers or so. And when I went to her channel, this was a couple of days ago, about a week ago, I saw that she was at almost 4,000 subscribers. Which is amazing for her. She deserves it. She works very hard on her channel. She has great content. I'm so proud of her and I'm so happy for her. But that little green monster all of a sudden was popping up on my shoulder, and I started to get jealous, and I started to kind of feel like, what am I doing wrong? I have put so much energy, so much effort into my videos and into trying to grow my channel, and I don't feel like I'm getting out of it what I'm putting into it. I'm at almost 700 subscribers and she's at almost 4,000 in the same amount of time. How did she blow up so big and I'm still down here? And I just started getting really down on myself, and I started kind of thinking maybe this is stupid that I can think that I can do this. Maybe people just don't like me, or people aren't interested in my channel, or I got to be doing something wrong. I've done so much research on how to grow my channel. I feel like I'm trying to do everything right, and yet things still aren't happening for me. So I started getting kind of down on myself, and I was talking with my girlfriend about it. She's been a really big support in my YouTube journey, and she's just such a supportive friend, and I just really cherish her so much. I love her so much. And, you know, she's trying to comfort me and trying to tell me it's going to happen for you, you know, and I was just kind of venting to her about it. And all of a sudden, out of nowhere, you guys, this is how the law of attraction works. Little reminders that just kind of set you back on your path. All of a sudden, out of nowhere, I got a notification on my YouTube saying so-and-so liked your comment. And I'm like, what? what? Because I haven't had very much time to be watching YouTube lately. So I haven't been commenting on a whole lot of videos recently. And I was like, what is this? So I go and I click on it. And it's from a random video that I watched a couple of weeks ago, maybe about 2 or 3 weeks ago. And it was a video, I remember watching it. It was a girl that I hadn't watched before. I can't remember why I was even subscribed to her. Like, I don't know. I have no idea. But it must have been somebody that I just came across one time, and I had never watched her after that, but I subscribed to her. And she had put out a video saying that she was going to be leaving YouTube because of this exact reason that we're talking about. She felt really, really frustrated with it. She felt like her channel wasn't growing, and she just felt like she was putting in so much effort into these videos and getting nothing back. So she put out a video basically saying goodbye and that she was done. And I had commented on it, and I took a screenshot of it, so I'll put it up here. I can't remember exactly word for word what it said, but you guys will see it here on the screen. Basically saying not to give up and that that's how YouTube works, but that keep with it, keep making your videos, and we will all make it there one day, and you will get to where you want to go. You just have to be patient and take some time. And it was just so, it was like a mind bomb. Like, my mind was just blown, because in that moment when I finally admitted that out to my friend, I had been kind of thinking about it the last couple of weeks in my mind, but when I finally said out loud to my friend, like, this is how I'm feeling, out of nowhere, I get a notification that someone liked that comment that I said weeks ago, basically encouraging somebody who was feeling the same way that I was feeling. And it just made me feel like, okay, clearly the universe is trying to tell me to follow my own advice and to stick with this and to keep going and to just know that this is going to happen for me. I just have to be patient and keep doing what I'm doing. And that being said, one of the most important things to remember is that your journey is not the same as someone else's. And yes, it can be really, really frustrated in whatever you're trying to do when you're working so hard and you see somebody else succeeding and you feel like you're not there yet. It can be so frustrating, but that has nothing to do with you. You need to stay in your own lane. You need to keep doing what you're doing, and you need to keep believing in yourself and believing in that the universe is going to bring you what you are manifesting for yourself. It is so important not to get caught up in being jealous of other people, because their story isn't your story. You weren't meant to have things happen at the exact same time as somebody else, but it will happen for you as long as you put in the work and you believe that you can do it. That is the number one thing, is that you have to believe that you can do it. So I was just really, really happy to get a little reminder of that for myself, and I kind of wanted just to come on here and share that story with you. And if you are working towards something, anything at all, and you're having doubts and you're feeling discouraged about it, just know that you can do it. You need to work hard for it. Nothing in life comes easy. Like, nothing good in life comes easy anyway. So you have to work for it, and you really have to believe in yourself and believe that you can have what you want. Just reach out and take it and work for it. Anyways, you guys, that was my newest Law of Attraction video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of my story. I thought it was kind of cool. Like, just something just came to me right when I needed it at that exact moment. Anyways, you guys, I hope you're having an awesome day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.